I take a start with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the most gracious and the most merciful. First of all, I want to say welcome to everyone in 9th class. We are going to start our math subject. As you have learned 12 units of your book, now we will start unit number 13, which is about sides and angles of a triangle. In this unit, we will discuss about triangle, its different sides and its angles. But first of all, I'll explain triangle. Triangle is a shape which has 3 sides and 3 angles. If a shape has 3 sides and 3 angles, we can call that shape a triangle. Triangle is classified into different categories on the basis of sides and angles. We will discuss all these types, but first of all, we will take a concept of sides and angles of a triangle. As you can see triangle ABC on your screen, 3 sides are mentioned as side AB, side BC and side AC. The side AB is called perpendicular, side BC is known as base and side AC is called hypotenuse. The length of all these sides may be different or may be same, but the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. Triangles are also classified into different categories on the basis of length of sides. We will discuss these types one by one. On the other hand, if we talk about angles of a triangle, here are also 3 angles which are named as angle A, angle B and angle C. You must remember that the sum of all 3 angles in a triangle must be equal to 180 degree. Triangles are also classified on the basis of angles. We will discuss all these types. Different types of triangles on the basis of length of sides and angles are described here. But first of all, we will discuss the triangles which are based on the length of sides. These triangles are named as equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. In equilateral triangle, the length of all 3 sides must be same, and in isosceles triangle, the length of 2 sides must be same, but the length of third side may be different. In scalene triangle, no side will be equal. The length of all 3 sides is different in scalene triangle. Now we describe the triangles which are based on angles. There are also 3 types which are based on angles. These are acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangle. Acute angle means that angle which is less than 90 degree. Obtuse angle means angle which is greater than 90 degree, and right angle is the angle of exactly 90 degree. Now we will discuss all these types in detail. First of all, we will talk about equilateral triangle. This is a type of triangle in which all sides are equal in length. For example, you can see on your screen, this triangle has a length of 3 cm on all sides. It means that all these sides are equal in length, so we can call this type of triangle an equilateral triangle. And in isosceles triangle, only 2 sides of triangle have same length and third side is different in length. As you can see, 2 sides are of 2 cm and the third side is of 3 cm. So this is known as isosceles triangle. And in scalene triangle, the length of all the sides is different. No side is equal in length. As you can see in the example, all 3 sides have different lengths. So this is a scalene triangle. Now we will describe the types of triangle which are based on angles. There are also 3 types which are named as acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangle. In acute angle triangle, all the angles must be less than 90 degree. And in obtuse angle triangle, there must be one angle which